How to fix speaker not working problem in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sound and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and click on reset options. Now click on reset app preferences. Now click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press that hold power button and click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.